You're scrolling your phone late at night, suddenly your heart speeds up. Your breath feels short. You wonder, why now? There's no emergency, no immediate threat. Yet your body is on high alert. This looks like panic, but it's actually your brain's ancient protection system kicking in. Anxiety doesn't appear from nowhere, it's built step by step inside your brain. Today, we'll break down exactly how your brain creates anxiety. And throughout, we'll use one simple metaphor: an oversensitive smoke alarm. Before we start, here's what's important to know. If anxiety visits you often, you're not broken, you're not weak. Your brain is working exactly as it should, trying to keep you safe. The challenge is that sometimes it mistakes harmless signals for threats. It's like a smoke alarm that goes off when you're just cooking toast, annoying but trying to protect you. Think of smoke curling up in a kitchen. It could be from a fire or burnt toast. The smoke itself is neutral, just information in the air. Your brain notices a trigger, maybe a thought, a memory, or a flutter in your chest. It asks, is this dangerous? This is your brain smelling smoke. Your brain is wired to predict danger before it arrives. It prefers false alarms to missed threats. The amygdala, your internal smoke detector, springs to life. Imagine worrying about a presentation before it even begins. Your brain runs through worst case scenarios, and not to scare you, but to prepare you. Your brain chooses caution, always. The alarm sounds, your heart races, breath quickens, muscles tense. Your body gets ready to act, fight, flight, or freeze, even if the smoke came from burnt toast. Your brain doesn't wait for proof. It prepares first. Speed equals safety. Now your mind asks, why do I feel this way? You notice your racing heart, your shallow breath. Your brain says something must be wrong. You might think, I'm losing control. This isn't safe. This interpretation feeds the alarm. It's like hearing the smoke alarm and assuming your kitchen is on fire. But here's the part nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't measure danger by facts. It measures it by familiarity and uncertainty. The less familiar, the louder the alarm. That's why anxiety spikes around unknowns. Future events, uncertainty, new experiences. Anxiety changes with time. When you're younger, social rejection or chaos may set off your alarm. As you age, the triggers shift. Maybe worries about your career or family. The pattern stays, but the details evolve. Anxiety doesn't disappear, it transforms. Anxiety is your brain's way of offering safety, like an old friend wrapping you in a blanket during a storm. Even if that friend sometimes overreacts, it's still caring. Next time anxiety comes, ask yourself, is this smoke? Is this the alarm sounding? Is my body preparing to protect me? Or is my mind trying to explain what's happening? Sometimes awareness alone turns the volume down. Not because the smoke is gone, but because your brain learns this feeling is familiar and survivable. In future videos, we'll explore how to gently retrain this alarm system without fighting your mind, without suppressing feelings, because calm doesn't come from erasing anxiety, it comes from understanding it. And knowing your brain isn't broken, it's trying its best.